Hey, what's up? My name is Kelly, and I guess this is just another song about Tokyo. So, today I'm going to be attempting to do my edges. Hopefully, you can see very well, because, yeah. So, I'm going to be using, let me make sure this is cool before I open, before I just start lying. Oh, okay, it's more than good, it's great. Smells like good old edge control. So I'm not a very edge person. Let's see how sticky this is. Let's see. It does go slick my slack. This is not gonna slick my slack, but it can slick my front like slack. So hopefully I don't ruin my hair today. And I should put a napkin under this. So I'm going to be using my two favoriteest edge controls today. The first one I'm going to be using is by Laron. It is the Edge Shaper, and it comes in this little 4-ounce thing. I have it sitting on my little Google card because it is spilling. I think it melted like in my suitcase, so don't leave it in your suitcase, and don't store it anywhere hot, store it in a cool space. I've had this edge control for a couple of years. I really can't even remember if it works because I really don't set my edges like that. So I do not have an edge brush today. So today we are going to be using, I've seen the experts and my hairstylist do it with a comb. So we're gonna do it with a comb because we are cool. We know edges. So this camera is not trying to focus on my huge forehead. Let me see. Let's just go like this. Should I comb them? Okay. let's get into it. Oh my god, it's getting everywhere. Okay, so we're just, look at how it's, so I can't even show you how soupy it is. Yeah, so we're just gonna dip our finger like so. I'm trying to get the clumps. Maybe I should refrigerate this. I just pray it doesn't kill my edges right now. So now we're just going to apply a bit of that to the edges like so, and pray that it doesn't poof up. And now we're just going to smooth it on over like so. This is killing my edges. It is not helping at all. I hate it. So moving on to the next product. I love this. I love this edge control by O Virgin Hair, I believe. And this is the edge control, whatever it's called. I've had this for about a year. I bought it off of their Twitter page. I've had it for like 3 years. And as you can see, I still have a lot left. I got it when it was like $7 or $8. I don't know how much it is now. It's kind of dried, as you can see, like it's kind of old now, but I'm still about to use it. So this is the only edge control I will ever recommend to every person I meet. So I'm just like kind of smashing it down, trying to like loosen the product because it's really like stuck together. And I'm just going to apply it like so. This, like I said, this is kind of older, so it's a bit different, but it still really gets the job done, and it doesn't make your hair puffy, so that's really why I love it. So now I'm just gonna take a bit more. I'm not an edge person. I'm really trying. It's just like all, kind of really old, but I'm still gonna use it because we gonna make it work. So now I'm just squeezing a bit more out and applying a bit more to my finger. You see it's going on a bit better now. And you can kind of bring it into the actual hair because it will hold your thickest hairs down. Yes. And get that little, yep, and it's making blue flakes, but that is because it's old. This does not happen to the new product. But your edges will stay like this for like ever. You see that slick stay? You see that slick? Okay, so now you just take it and swoop like that. Yeah, that's how they do it. They just take it and swoop like that, yes. Then we're gonna take a bit more off of my finger, and we're gonna take this and swoop. Once again, we're gonna take a lot of product and we're gonna swoop our sides with it. Oh, that's so much. We're gonna take a lot of product. Make sure you get out the hair. I hope this doesn't pull my hair out. And we're just gonna swoop. We're just gonna swoop it on up. Oh yeah. I think my hairstylist does it like this. She like presses the comb against the hair as she does it, so that it smooths out as she do it. Yep, just like this. Yeah, my hair is beautiful now. It was beautiful before. So now we're just gonna comb this up. I hope this doesn't break off my sides, bro. And there you have it. That is how I did this side. And we're just gonna even that out of it so it doesn't look like I got patches. There's nothing wrong with patches. Patches, I'm depending on your son to pull the family through. My son, it's all left up to you. So now I'm just taking a bit more because this is my favorite edge control and the only one that I'm going to use. And I hope you can see this because I'm just getting it and splooshing it all over here, all up in there, all up in the important areas. And I'm just gonna comb it through like my hairstylist. And I'm just gonna make sure that gets evenly spread throughout the hair. And we're just gonna keep holding on. I forgot to press as I do it. Now I am very much so hurting my hand. I'm gonna take my smoothing brush. So now I have my smoothing brush because as you can see, the blue is staying stuck. So we're just gonna use this to separate the hairs and smooth them down like so. And look at that. Do you see? Y'all can't even see the wave. I'm trying to brush the product out. Oh! Maybe we shouldn't use this. So now I'm taking a bit more and just getting up in the front, up in there, getting there, getting there. Getting there, getting there. So, okay, yes. 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 Let's go like this first, and then we go like that. Oh, and then we go like this, and then we go like that. Oh, Edges queen, girl. I am Edges. Edges is me. So now we're just gonna take a little bit more. I'm praying this lighting is good. So now we're just taking a bit more to smooth that out. We're just gonna slip and take the remainder and go up on the sides. Just like that. Yeah. And then we just take a little bit of this in the front. Okay. And that, let me brush this out, child. If you have flyaways in the front, you can also just pinch a little bit of this. A little bit of edge control. This is not water-based, so it's great. And so I also forgot to mention that if your edges aren't sitting the way you want them to, you can grab a scarf. This is actually like a nightcap bonnet thing, but if you don't have a scarf, you could use this as well. And you would just brush your edges the way that you did and take the scarf, wrap it around your edges and tie it. And then you could leave it for however long you want to. You can go to sleep with it like this or whatever. 10-15 minutes. And when you take the scarf off, your edges will be great. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And please, please, please share this video with your friends. I'm on the road to 100 subscribers. And please check out my new single, Time Out, on all major media platforms now, including my YouTube channel. Thank you so much and have a great day.